Hello my dear friends, in this video, I'm gonna share not only how to share a starting user post, but also how to share a left post and how to share a retirement post. So stick to the end of this video to know all the step-by-step process. Okay, so let's start with the first one. How to share a starting user post. So to share a starting user post, first you gotta open your Facebook app. After opening your Facebook profile, under the search bar, you'll see what's on your mind. Okay, so just click here. Now see here you get some options. Now scroll down a little bit. Here's a live update option, so click on it. Here you get so many options. Out of these options, click on the first one, on work. And now select the first one, new job. As a thumbnail of your post, you can add a photo or video, okay? So just click on photos and videos option. It'll redirect you to your phone gallery. Just select the photo or video that you want to add to your post. So for example, I'm selecting this picture. After selecting your picture, click on down in the top right corner. And if you want to add the company name, just click on add an employer. And now you gotta search here. I'm searching here, video editor. Now see, here are so many video editors of titles, okay? So now I'm selecting the first one, video editor. It's showing today, but if you want to add a customized date, you can do that too, okay? And if you want to write a short description about your job profile, you can write it too. Just click on say something about this. And after writing everything, just click on next at the top right corner. So this is how your starting user post is gonna show up on Facebook, okay? So if you're happy with this post, just click on post at the top right corner. And then your post will be published. So that was the process to share your starting user post. Now I'm gonna show you how to share your left post, okay? Again, click on this what's on your mind option. Again, scroll down a little bit. Again, select the last third option, live update. Click on the first option, work. Now select the third option, left job. The process is same. Add a thumbnail photo. It'll redirect to your phone gallery. Just select the photo or video to add to your post. After selecting your picture, just click on down at the top right corner. And now if you want to customize this left subtitle, you can do that too. Just click here and write whatever you want to write. Now you gotta enter your job title here. Add an employer. Just click on this plus icon. For example, I'm typing here, so I'm selecting this one. Office manager. And if you want to write a short description about your living job post, why you're leaving the job, you can write here too. Just click on say something about this. And now write the description. That's it. And now to share this post, just click on next at the top right corner. And this is the preview of your final post. And if you agree with this, just click on post to share this post on Facebook. Okay? So that was the process to share a left post on Facebook. And now I'm going to show you how to share a retirement post. Okay? Now again, click on the same option, what's on your mind. Scroll down a little bit. Again, click on the last third option, live update. Select the first option, work. Out of this option, select the last one, retirement. Follow the same process. Click on the photos and videos. Now select the photo that you want to add to your post. Now click on down in the top right corner. And if you want to explain your retirement post, you can do that too. Now click on next at the top right corner. And there's one more step left to make this post public. Just click on post at the top right corner to publish this post. So that's how you can create a starting user post, left post, and a retirement post on Facebook. And if you want more this kind of helpful and informative tutorial videos, then subscribe to the channel right now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.